this is Jamie from Shanti Kai with a tip for you on working with our transformation essence. So our transformation essence is from our cosmic line of essences, and it is one of our best-selling master blends for helping you to transform negative or unwanted energies in your life into something more beneficial and positive. So I like to think of this essence as, helping you to rise up out of unwanted or negative stance or feelings. And like the phoenix that rises from the ashes only to be born again, right? So it says on the bottle, from death to rebirth, and it's a wonderful essence for stimulating or inspiring energies of regeneration, of renewal. Whether it's something on the outside of your life, like a weight loss, or you want to be more empowered and confident, or you're working with transforming some sort of trauma or negative emotion, this can be a wonderful essence. So worked with it over time, right? First thing in the morning and before going to bed, or if you're dealing with a specific situation, if you've gone through a recent loss, okay, and you're feeling a lot of sadness and sorrow or disappointment, then working with this essence can help you shift that energy and move into, like, from sadness to joy, or from disappointment to hope. If you feel really angry or frustrated about something, then working with this essence can be really good for helping to soften those feelings and to transform them or to channel them through, so that the anger dissipates, and from anger you get acceptance, and from fear you get love, from despair, hope, right? So these are the bigger shifts you want to go through. But sometimes it's more like from sadness to anger, right? And then it's like you got to go up the emotional ladder or the frequencies that way. But it helps you work with the energy at hand, whether it's a low frequency or a mid-low frequency, whatever it is emotionally or in the energy, and it helps you to work with that to channel it into something different, okay? And so it can be very empowering and inspiring in this way. Perfect to use anytime you're faced with a situation that's challenging and you need to soften it and transform it. So that is our Shanti Kai transformation. Thank you very much.